Hello and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. Today we'll be showing you guys how to make mobile controls in Scratch. Here I'm on my phone showing you guys how the mobile controls work. And here I'm showing you guys how you can incorporate these mobile controls into your platformers. As you can see here, I'm playing my scrolling platformer with my mobile controls. Alright, so we're here in our new project. So let's grab a when green flag clicked, and then grab a forever loop, and then grab if statement. So in the if statement, we're going to grab and then we're going to grab mouse down. So if mouse down and we're going to get a less than if the mouse X is less than the X position. So what this means is if you're pressing down with your mouse, or in this case on a mobile device, and it's left of the Scratch Cat, then we're going to change X by -10. So it will move to the left. Oh, not -110, but -10. So we can right click duplicate this for our right to go to the right. So instead, we're going to switch the sign right here. So if the mouse X is greater than the X position of the Scratch Cat, meaning you're pressing on the right side of the Scratch Cat, we can change X by 10. So let's run the project here. So as you can see, if I click to the left, Scratch Cat moves to the left. If I click to the right, Scratch Cat moves to the right. So if you try this on mobile, it should work. All right. And then up and down is the same thing pretty much. You just right click duplicate this. Instead, we're gonna have to change the Y. So if mouse down and mouse Y is less than the Y position, so mouse Y less than Y position, I have a special Scratch add-on that lets me switch it quickly. Then we're gonna say change Y by -10. And then we're gonna say if mouse down and mouse Y is greater than Y position, then we're going to say change Y by 10. So now let's play the project. So yeah, as you can see, the Scratch Cat should go wherever you basically click, as you can see. That's pretty much it. Oh, let me go full screen actually, because I can drag it. As you can see, the Scratch Cat's moving wherever. So you can incorporate this script into your own projects, like your platformers and stuff, to make them mobile friendly. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Coding Playground, and I'll see you guys in the next video.